Let's go ahead and watch Tie-Dye first. Oh, I love this song, dude. Oh, man. Ooh, got some remoting. Ooh. That movement is so clean. So balanced. From the drop. Ooh. Those angles. You got that those arm positions though. Jeez. Ooh, that transition. Good pacing, good pacing. Man, what a clean show. Interesting transition there. I felt like he was a little late on that hit, but really clean, really clean. The transitions are very interesting. That aggressiveness when he like does a wave tut backwards is so sick. Very unique. Yo, that was sick, dude. Yo. Tie-Dye? Tie-Dye's come a long way, guys. Like, I remember the very first trance that he entered, he went really fast. But I think one thing that separates the Tie-Dye from then and now is the digestibility. Which is really great to see, because in my eyes that's huge improvements. Really dope. I love the pacing, in my opinion, some really good pacing. Maybe a little laggy there on some of the hits. As far as the battle goes, because he's going up against Danny, right? I think will the amount of tech and the complexity be enough to beat Danny? Because Danny's a very content heavy guy. He's got a bunch of connections, so we're gonna have to see. Go ahead and watch Danny now, and I gotta respect Danny, man. I think he's the most active within the King of Series, always participating in all the brackets. This might be, is it his second or third time entering the bracket? Danny, if you ever watched this, correct me if I'm wrong. But super excited to see the submission. Let's go.
The story begins when you close your eyes.
Oh man, that aura.
This time, how does it feel? Can you see the light? Something
Wow.
inside you is calling now.
Ooh.
Close your eyes.
Here we go. This is what I mean. He's got a lot of content, a lot of connections in his shows. Wow. The transitions to just go from finger tutting to dials so effortlessly. Ooh, good pacing here as well. Oh man, so clean. Oh.
Something deep inside you is calling now. I can see it.
Oh man, how did he get into that? Woo! Yo. Yo. Yo, some new stuff coming out from Danny.
Close your eyes.
Ooh. Very interesting use of that sideward flail there. Oh, that little hit there with the lyrics? Wow, his pathing is so interesting this show. Yo, that was crazy. Yeah, that's a good match. That's a really good match. I saw a couple of new stuff from Danny that one. Like a lot his okay, wait. That dial sequence is super dangerous. Like, and doing that with the hits there in the back is so good. So good. Yeah, that's a tough one though. That's a tough one for sure. Gonna have to see who wins that one. If you're looking for whites, batteries, skins, or any other gloving accessory, head on over to glow-leds.com and don't forget to use my code AlohaNation for 10% off.